Hello, everybody, and welcome to Leaving My Comfort Zone. All right, for today, what I'd like to show you is a trailer. Now, I built this trailer. It came in as a kit. I'm going to show you the box that it came in and some stills and a little video as far as putting it together. I couldn't do a lot of stuff as far as video putting it together because I haven't quite gotten that technology straightened out yet, okay, as far as lights and that kind of stuff. I also want to make it short. Now, this trailer took me about 3, 4 days to put it together. I'd come home after work on it for a couple of hours, and then keep going. I took my time. I did it slow. Okay, I know I could have done it faster if I'd sped up, but hey, look, what's the rush? I'm not heading back from Missouri for a little while. Now, the reason I need a trailer is because I'm also going to show you a picture of the car. Oh my God, my Pathfinder, man! I loaded it down. I looked like somebody. I looked like a refugee or something with that car. Loaded down with stuff on the top, on the back, all kinds of stuff. All right, but the stuff that I'm taking next time is not a lot of things, but just some heavy things. Okay, so you see, like I bought a hedge mower. I bought a generator. I bought an air conditioner heater. I bought a wood chipper. All of these things, if you saw the video of the land, you'll know that all of these things are a necessity, and they're not heavy. Every piece that I'm bringing weighs about 100 pounds, 100 and change. Okay, I think the lightest thing is the air conditioner. It's like 80 something pounds, something like that. And it feels like 80 pounds. All right, so I also bought a small shed, a small metal shed that I can put all this stuff in because my big wooden shed, it's just going to get filled up with this stuff. And it's so nice. I'd hate to put something in there like a mower and things like that that are just going to drip gasoline or oil all over the place. It's a shed. I know it's a shed, all of this kind of stuff. But you know, it's nice, and I would like to spend some nights in it without smelling gasoline or something. You know what I mean? All right, so let me get on with this. All right, so this is a short video. It's just a few minutes, and just to see if you want to do this, to see what you're getting yourself into. All right. Now, as I said, what you really need is space that you can put this together. Even though I put it together in my tight garage, and it's light enough that I was able to maneuver it around by myself. I did have somebody help me when I flipped it over because I just didn't have enough strength to make it that last couple of inches to flip it over. But once I got it on top, poof, I put it over and just let it drop, and everything was good. All right, so anyway, enough of that, and thank you for visiting Leaving My Comfort Zone. Okay, here it is. I'm getting ready to leave. I'm getting ready to go pick up D. As you can see, Pathfinder is pretty much maxed out. Okay, so I bought this trailer in a kit, and as you can see, it has everything that's in it, everything that's required. Tires even had air in them. So, and the trailer was already wired up, so all I had to do was just put it together. And with the instructions, it worked out really well. I had something that I could put my screws in, bolts, and I had all the tools I needed. So it was just a matter of putting it together, being patient, and just taking a little time. Okay, so with ingenuity, muscle, and some help, sorry about the noise, apparently they're working down the street, I was able to flip it over. And the next part is putting the tongue on, which is on the other side. The lights, and tighten some of the bolts, and we're just about done. Of course, the hardest part, I felt, was flipping it over. That I knew I needed somebody else. Just took a little bit and then flipped it over. Boom. After I flipped the trailer over, I got some scratches on it because it was on the cement. Not a big deal. I put the fenders on, I started putting the lights on, and at the end I started putting the tongue together, and I put that on the trailer. Messed up with the screws a little bit, the bolts, but that was easily fixed. So here's the trailer, the finished product. It has a 4-pin connector, and the Pathfinder has a 7, so I need to get an adapter for that. But that's all part of the learning curve as far as doing things that you haven't done before. And this is my learning process. So thank you for visiting, leaving my comfort zone. And please subscribe and like. Thank you very much. Have a good day.